Hi guys, it's Mrs. Grimes. Sorry so late this evening getting this out. I hope you've had a good weekend. All right, very quickly, let me get through our announcements. On our class website, I have a couple new things. One is just a reminder that the last day of quarter one, so what that means is I'll have to get in and start putting grades in. So make sure that your OLS progress is up to date. All of your TGAs, teacher graded assignments, are turned in, and then you have attended those required sessions. If you don't have any required sessions, that's not for you. Weekly announcements, that survey here has been completed each week. All of those points go into the grade book for those. I have changed this RSVP here for the pumpkin patch that's coming up this Friday. This week, the 8th through the 12th, here's what we have going on in live sessions with Miss Burdick and I. And here's our books for this week. Just an FYI, if we have anything that is holiday related, we will have that book be the second part of the session. So we will let you know that we're going to read something holiday related. So if you want to log out, you can. All right, let's look at pacing charts real quick. Kindergarten. Let's see, we have October 8th is tomorrow, so this is the week where we should be working. If you are not where we are in lessons, really work hard to be doing extra lessons every day to get to where we are on the pacing chart and then stay up with us. And also a reminder, these 2 days, I have a slide in just a minute to explain what we'll do on that day, but there's no new lessons those days. Those 2 days are good for getting caught up, doing lessons that you've missed if you were sick or got behind for some reason or missing some lessons. That's a good day to get caught up. But the last day of the quarter is the 18th. So that's kindergarten. First grade, very quickly. I know all of you have these probably printed out, so you don't need me going through it, but here's where we are for first grade. Again, these 2 days, there's no new lessons for you. So if you have missed anything, you can do that. While we're talking about that, let's go ahead and talk about our conferences that are on those 2 days. The 18th and 19th, the end of that pacing chart for quarter one, is going to be conference days. That conference is only going to be about 15 minutes for you. So you'll have most of those days to get caught up on anything that you've missed or anything like that. I am working on a sign up right now and I will get it out to you as soon as possible. You're going to sign up for a 15-minute slot. You're going to log in to a Class Connect session I have on your schedule for the 18th or the 19th whenever you sign up, and we will talk about student progress, teacher graded assignments, anything like that before the quarter is over with myself and Mrs. Burdick. So be looking for that sign up. Teacher graded assignments. Unfortunately, we did not make the goal again, so I'm going to change it a little bit. So maybe we have some that have, oh, this says September. This was October. I'm talking about the live October session that we just did. That's what this information is for. So we did not make it. Kindergarten was 76%. We're there live for that required session. First grade is 79%, so that makes it 77%. So our next one, I have a new incentive for you. So everybody that turns in their November work sample, their TGA, I will have a special session for you. because I know that, I mean, so many of you are doing what you're supposed to be doing and getting all those points for that. And I want you to get to see me get a water bucket. So those of you that turn it in before or on November 5th, by the end of the day, I'll invite you the next week to a special session where Mrs. Grimes can get a water bucket. I went through that. The upcoming, I told you that the link is also on the website, but just wanted to show this very quickly. I'll attach it to your email as well, but that's coming up this Friday. Miss Burdick and I will be in Kansas City. I'll make it out to Wichita soon, I promise, before it gets cold. I'm not sure when yet. Fall Festival is coming up. It looks like they're looking at the Wichita one, so this does not apply to anywhere but Kansas City right now. Actually, Olathe is where our main office is, and we'll have some fall games and things like that and some treats. Wichita, I think they're going to do it on a different day, so I'll keep you posted as soon as I know when that is. But November 2nd from 6 to 7:30 is the Fall Festival. Again, I'll put this link in your email. Okay, coming up is going to be interims. What that means is it's kind of like Dibbles, but you're going to be doing it at home. You're not going to do it with me. Again, reminder, learning coaches, when we do test assessments, this is a time that students show us what they know. It's okay, to help with, where to click and things like that, computer type things. But we really want to know how students are doing, so make sure that you're having students do checkpoints and assessments independently. Not to mention, this test will move with them, so they'll give them stuff that they shouldn't even know yet. So and then it'll get harder if they do know it. So make sure that students truly are working on it on their own. Let me move this. I think my picture's in the way. This will be open October 11th, and then it will close on the 17th. So in that window, we need students to be taking this assessment. It is going to be in Stride. Supposedly it is working now, and so I'll show you how to do that a little bit more. We have a meeting on Tuesday to discuss it further, and so I'll let you know more on that. I just wanted to give you a heads up. This does not cover the materials we have studied, so there's gonna be questions they don't know, and I know that's hard for some students, so please, learning coaches, help them understand that they're not gonna know everything, and that's okay, just to do their best. So it is in Stride. Some of you have kind of played around in Stride, but between October 11th and the 17th, there'll be around 30 questions. You're going to click the reading coin, and then you're going to click the math coin, and that's how you start the assessment for the students. Both are required, and then during interim test windows, PMA questions replace all other assignment questions. So that'll make a little bit more sense once we know more about it. So I will help you with that. Oh goodness, there's a lot this week. There we go. The red ribbon, I just wanted to let you pass this along from our counselor. We're doing kind of a spirit week through the whole school. It's called Red Ribbon Week, and just to promote healthy lifestyles without alcohol and tobacco and drugs and things like that, and eating right and exercise. So on Monday, the 22nd, if you wear red, white, and blue, Tuesday, pajama day, Wednesday, crazy hair day, silly socks. So you can read all the rest of those, and then if you have some, it'd be great if you put them on that school Facebook page so everybody can see you participating in that. I'll attach this one to the email as well. There are Learning Coach sessions. I will attach this to the email, but there's Learning Coach University. So, really helpful things that you can go to these sessions and and get some help for really helpful things that you guys as learning coaches would benefit from having. Coach to coach sessions. So these are some other sessions that might be helpful for you guys. I know you don't have a whole lot of time, but these would be really helpful. So I'll attach those to your email as well. Okay, I think we did it. Our secret word for when you do your survey right here when you are done watching this recording, and you're going to put the word pumpkin. And then our drawing, last week's, I haven't sent yours yet. I have them all ready. I just have to get the address on it. Okay, so kindergarten. Let's see, kindergarten. Kindergarten for this week. These are for the non-required sessions. Those of you that attended, I put your names in it. So our kindergartner that I pulled out today is Blaine A. You'll get a gift card from me. And then, let's see, first grade. Let's see. Oh, Channing. I will send you a gift card as well. Have a wonderful week and let us know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.